The carrot has legs.
Sweetie, this is the funniest carrot I've ever seen.
Don't let it escape into the bushes.
This carrot runs faster than you. The carrot jumped over a stone, and the little orange tabby cat stumbled.
Careful, my kitten.
Stop, carrot, or I'll catch you.
That's my girl, a true winner. Sweetie, see how even a carrot can make our day so magical. Sweetie, laughter is the real magic of life.
Mom, this carrot made us the happiest cats in the world!
Every day with you, my dear, is more magical than any carrot.
Mom, let's keep this magic forever in our hearts.
Sweetie, as long as we laugh together, life will always be magical. Then let's laugh every day, Mom.
Mom, laughter is tastier than any carrot.